Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie and I'm blind. Here, let me show you something that I use on a daily basis. So this is my white cane. It's red on the bottom and white on top with a rubber handle and a string. Not everyone's cane looks like that, and that's okay. And no, I don't have a guide dog. I do, however, have a pet named and this is Willow. She's 7. She likes going outside, going for car rides, and sleeping. Her favorite things are being petted, hot dogs, and her toys. So come join us as we show you what it's like living life as a blind person. What's that? Oh, you thought Willow was blind too? Nope, Willow's not blind. It's just me. What? Oh, okay, fine. So come join me and I'll show you what it's like living life as a blind person. But Willow's tagging along too. Sometimes. Most of the time. Good evening, everyone. As you can probably hear and see, I am outside. I was gonna bring some stuff to clean some stuff in the boxes that are right here, and I walked out and completely forgot about them. I'm actually expecting Willow to bark at any second because she is currently inside and not by herself, but she's gonna think that she is because I'm not in there, and so she's just gonna think that she is by herself, and she's not. I just realized that I went the wrong way when trying to get to the swing, but oh well, I'm here now. It is really nice outside. It's early evening. It's like 6 something in the evening, and there is mosquitoes, but I did the really smart thing and I put on Skin So Soft oil. If you have or know someone who sells Avon, go buy some. It's like the best thing you could ever buy. But I didn't do that last night and I got bit by so many mosquitoes. Like, where is it? Pretty much all the bites are gone now. But I had some on my arm, on my leg, and I was like, I am not doing that again. So I got smart. My hair is wet. It's probably a really stupid idea to come out here with wet hair. But you know what? It was nice when I opened the door earlier. It's cooled down a little bit since then. But I opened the door earlier so I could see what it was like outside. And it took me over an hour to get outside because I washed my hair and everything. Guys, can you hear that? I think it's rain. Pretty sure it's rain. And this is not a sound effect. As long as I'm not getting wet, I guess I'll stay out here. Oh, look, I found a bite from yesterday. So, there's that. Mosquitoes love me. I don't know why. It is much later, and Willow is bouncing around on the floor and barking at the thunder because it's raining. Come on. You went up here. Come here. Come be on camera. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi. What you doing? What you doing? Did you get wet? You go outside and get wet. I was Barty to come and get you when Larry let you in. Did you go outside and get all wet? Did you go outside and get all wet? Oh, Willow doesn't like to be wet. No, that's yucky. Guys, I forgot today was supposed to be Win Take Sunday. Come on, run up here. Come on. So, I guess I'm not doing a Win Take Sunday today. Because I didn't do that, so. So, this is the shirt that I'm wearing. These are the shorts. I actually don't have very many pairs of shorts that fit anymore, and I still need to go short shopping. Willow, where's your toy? You said you wanted to play, Willow. Where's your toy? Where is it? Where's your toy? Where did it go? Oops. I didn't mean to poke you in the mouth. Where'd your toy go? Where'd it go? Aw, you giving me kisses? Aw, that's so nice. Where'd your toy go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? You want up here? Hi. Oh, give Willow hugs. Oh, she gotta have hugs. Your nose is dry. Do you have any water? Would you like some water? What? What do you want? You want more hugs? You want more hugs? I can't hug you if you're gonna sit on my foot. No, I can't hug you if you're gonna sit on my foot. I don't think it quite works like that. No, I don't think it does. I know it's thundering and scary, right? Yeah. Well, I don't guess we're gonna play. Thought we were. Miss Willow, my shoes are over here because I came in from outside and just kicked them off because I thought I was gonna go right back out there. And I'm not, so. Willow, you're goofy. She's literally laying at my foot. Willow had a toy, but she wouldn't give it to me. Now she's gonna lay on my foot. Can I have the toy? No? Let's see. She's like, no, you're not getting that toy. Am I not getting it? Can I have it? My floor is covered in your hair. Did you know that? I don't know if anybody has a dog that looks like Willow, but if you do, can you tell me whether or not the dog sheds? Because Willow sheds insane amounts. Like, it's insane. I got Willow's chicken. No, it's my chicken. It's my chicken. It's my chicken. Fine. Ready, go. That was a really short throw, but I figured people were sleeping, and so I didn't throw it where I usually throw it. You gonna let me have it? No? You're not gonna let me have it at all? Not even this little piece right here? She's like, no, it's mine. Can I have it? Can I have its foot? chewing on my, like, down by where my fingers are, trying to get my fingers off of it. Can I have it? Ready? I know, that was a really sucky throw. I know. Can I have it again? She's like, no, it's mine. She won't let me have it. No, she won't let me have it. See what happens when you chew on stuff? She just took it out of my hand. Did you just take your toy out of my hand? Did you do that? Willow. She loves this toy now that it doesn't have a squeaker. Don't you? She's like, I'm gonna take it over here, and then I'm gonna lay on it, so you can't grab it. But she doesn't know that I can move too, and I can grab it just like that. He's gonna throw it up in the air. Whee! Ready? Where'd it go? Did you get it? You got it, I think. Did you get it? I think you got it. Did you miss? Where'd it go? Let's see. If I threw it up in a chair, she probably... Ooh, I found your red bone. What about your red bone? You want your red bone? No. Why am I, like, scooting across the floor? She gonna go get her red bone instead. Didn't find her chicken, but we found her red bone. Which she is currently trying to hide from me. I got it. Oh, you found your chicken. Okay. I guess we're playing with the chicken again. She went after red bone and came back with chicken. Ready? She's like, no, I'm not letting go. No, I'm not letting go, she says. No. She's not letting go at all. Ready? It landed on top of her red bone and the bone squeaked. Say, now I don't know which one to get. Bring me a toy. Bring me a toy, Willow. And she's gonna sit over there and chew on her chicken. This is the end of the video. I hope that you like this video enough to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're brand new. Ring that notification bell. Make sure it's set to all notifications. Leave a comment if you have something to say. Like my Facebook page and follow me on Twitter. Both of these are Stuff on YouTube 1. My personal Twitter is Steffi2010. And you can also follow me on Labrie if you want rewards for doing simple things like, I don't know, following me. Crazy, right? And you can find all those links on my YouTube page below the About section and down in the description below this video. And if you would like to email me, you can find that in the About section of my YouTube page and down in the description below. And also at Steffi on YouTube at Gmail. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.